How to download or install CapCut on iPhone. If you don't know yet, CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app available for iPhone and other available devices. It is ideal for both beginners and more advanced users. After downloading the app from the App Store, you can start a new project by tapping the New Project button and selecting videos or photos from your gallery. CapCut offers a range of basic editing tools like trimming, splitting, and deleting clips, making it easy to refine your footage. So, in order to install it on a device, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Once you're in here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then in the search bar, search for CapCut. Move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of Get, you have to click on it, or you can click on this icon. It will start to download the app on a device. Wait for a while for it to complete. And there you go, the application has been installed on a device successfully. Now you can simply tap on Open and use the app. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can download CapCut app on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.